The problem right here is not the registration on Ecox, but the KYC. So many users have actually found this very difficult in getting their KYC activated or approved. So right in this video, I'm going to be showing you the strategy and the method I use in getting mine approved. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the voice of Coach Joachim. If this is your first time watching my videos, why not hit the subscribe button, like this video, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I drop more amazing content like what you are about to watch. And to my wonderful returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you to you. You guys are the real vibe for staying with me till this moment. If you have not joined my Telegram channel, you can see the link on the pinned comment section or on my profile. Go ahead to join for more amazing personalized content that will benefit you. So right here, this is actually a mining platform called Ecox. Now, many of us has registered our account, but we are actually finding it difficult to do our KYC. So right here, you can see that my KYC has been approved. Now, I'm going to be showing you the strategy and the way I did my right here. But first of all, for some of us coming across this platform for the first time, I need to show you how it works before I go ahead to show you how to do your KYC. Right here, when you come over to this hamburger icon right here, you can see that we have the dashboard, the green wallets, level, quest, and the likes of other network right here. So right here, you can actually see when you come over to your dashboard right here, it will bring you over to this interface. You can see right here that what you are claiming is the greening power. So every day you log into your account and you keep mining, you just have to claim your green power. So right here on this platform, it is the green power you accumulate that is going to be converted for you. So like I said, 25 green power right here is going to accumulate about 2,000 plus for you. And this is actually a free airdrop which you can start right now. So right here, you can see claim green rewards. So once I click that, you can actually see where it directed me to. So you just need to wait for this to load up. You can see right here, it says reward is ready. So you can come right here and claim this reward. So you can see the total rewards I just have on my account. So what I just need to do right here is to claim. But before that, let me come down here and break down this balance for you. So you can see a total mined green. Now this is about 63.90 green power. Remember I said once you have over 25 green power, that is about 2,000 naira. Now, once you have about 50 green power, that is over 4,000 naira. So right here, you can see that this is above 4,000 naira on my account. So you can see converted and unconverted. So once this has been converted, you can actually see that in your green power. So right here, you can see weekly rewards. There are some things you can do to also accumulate your green power on your account. Remember, every account or every platform always have something for you to increase the benefit or the rewards that will be attached to it. So right here, these are the history rewards on my account. You can see of September 9, of September 13. So depending on how you take this platform very serious. So what you just need to do is to make sure you put in your best in trying to accumulate more green powers for yourself. So right here, you can see all the details right here. However, when you come over to your wallet right here, it is only what you have on your ECX token amount that you can withdraw. You can see the receive, send, deposit, and withdraw right here. So only what you have on your ECX token that can be withdrawn. Now, when you go back to your hamburger icon right here, come down to level, you can actually see that this actually has levels while you accumulate some green power for yourself. So right here, you can see the stages of the levels and the badge that you are to get. So what you just need to do is to keep on accumulating more green power for yourself. Now, when you come down under community right here, you can see that there's a community where you can actually drop your comment. So right here, you can see that there's an option for you to actually communicate right on this platform. You can go ahead to drop your own comment. That is under their community. Now, what I wanted to also note is that you can go ahead to download this app on your mobile device. So right here, we have it on iOS and also we have it on the Android device. So you can see right here the Telegram also. So what you're going to be doing is to leverage the platform and also get good advantage of it. Some of you might be asking what is the quest. Now, when you come over to quest right here, you can see that you can also claim your daily drop right here. So these are also some things you need to know about this platform to accumulate more for yourself. So right here, you can see we can come right here and claim this reward. Okay, so what you just need to do is to make sure you are leveraging properly on this platform. So right here you can see you can create a post to get 20% green power. You can like any post. You can come right here and comment on any post. You can share any post. You can also clean up the community. So you can also see daily learning. So this is actually the community. This is a community where you can actually come right here to also do some of all these things. You can come right here and like a post depending on when it is actually counted. Right here it says too many requests, please try again. So depending on when it is accepted. Okay, so your liking of a post needs to be approved and accepted also before you can be accumulated to your green powers. Now, how do you claim your green power? So what I'm going to do is to come down under claim reward and click on this. As you can see right now, it's actually trying to claim the green token that actually I have accumulated. So you just need to give it some time for it to accumulate more for you. So once you have claimed this, the next thing you want to do right here, you can see right here, reward claim successful. So right here, let me go over to my dashboard so I can show you clearly. You can see the total I have right here. So you can see that the green power right here is over 180. So you can go ahead to come right here and always claim your reward. So right here you can see you can claim rewards after 17 hours or thereabouts. So you can see that this is accumulating by itself. So you don't have to do much on this platform. All you have to do is to claim your reward yourself. After this countdown, you just come down here and click on claim reward. So that is how simple it is. Let me go over to this notification. So you can see where it says KYC was successful, referral reward. So another way you can use to accumulate more green tokens for yourself is to refer individuals to this platform. You can see referrals right here. So once you click on that, you can actually see that you can refer and you'll be getting commissions from the direct and indirect referrals. You can copy your affiliate link right here and you're going to be seeing the benefits you are getting right on this platform. Okay, so what we are going to be doing right now is to show you how you can do your KYC successfully without having issues on your account, because without doing your KYC you can't probably benefit from the platform. So right now what you're going to be doing is to come over to your dashboard and you're going to be coming down right here, and somewhere around there you're going to be seeing the KYC on your account. So let me hit this button right here so I can show you some things you need to know, because right here I have done my KYC. So what you're just going to do is come over to your profile. The reason why you're not seeing KYC right here is because I've actually done my KYC on my account. So the secret and the strategy that was used in getting this particular account verified or approved during KYC was because I actually tried this around the midnight. You can go ahead to try this around 1, 2, 3 a.m. in the midnight. So once you go ahead trying this in the midnight, you are going to be getting approved on your account. Now you are not going to be trying this just once because it's still going to decline it. So keep on trying it the multiple times so you can get approved. The reason why you can get approved, or the chances of you getting approved, is because there are limited people right on this platform as of that time, because the multitude on this platform are very much. Okay, so there are so many people that actually want to get their account verified. So you are also part of them and you actually want to get your account verified. All you just need to do is to make sure you are doing it at a time where the traffic on this platform is less. So you can go ahead to do it from 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., as the case may be. So this is actually the method I use in getting my account approved, my KYC verified. So you can go ahead to try this method and see if it works for you. Now, if this actually works for you, come back on this video and drop a comment so you can get to understand that this process works. Now, this is all you have to know about getting your KYC verified and getting everything done at ease as of that time. Now, what I just want you to comment right on this video is to comment where you are actually watching this video and try this on your own end so we can know how many countries are involved in this project and how it was easy for you to do your KYC right on this platform. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. Always advisable you go over to the pinned comment section so you can actually join my Telegram channel where you can get personalized content that can be helpful to you. See you on my next video and keep winning.